everyone, it's Melody Lane, and today is the first day you can take your old project links and open them in the new Cricut Design Space desktop app. This is only for the desktop. This means computers. This means laptops also. This does not have anything to do with the iPad or the Android or any mobile app. This is for computers, which includes laptops and desktops. And now you can click on old Canvas links. So this is a Design Space link from the browser. Maybe you have shared project links with somebody, or I have shared project links with my supporters since 2014. They have all my links, and now if they need to open them, you just click the link and it will open up, and let's show how it works. So I just clicked it and it's opening up Cricut.com launcher. So this is new. They are still working on this. This is just new today. They are continuing to work on Design Space and making it easier and more features for us. So today I have already downloaded the desktop app, so I don't need to go to download. I just want to open up that project in the new desktop app. So I'm going to click open. You can see down here is my icon for my desktop app. It does not have a little dot. So I have a Mac, and when I have applications open, they will be down here and have a little dot. Like I have these open, and there is no dot underneath my Cricut Design Space, and we're just going to leave it that way. Now, because I have a Mac, I'm going to get an error. It seems to be this error is only with Macs, but they're working on fixing this, but it's really no problem. So we're going to go ahead and continue. So you will get a pop-up that says, are you sure you want to open Design Space? Click on Open Cricut Design Space right here. Now this is the error I was talking about. I guess this is just with Macs. It's really no problem because all you have to do is click OK. And then next, I'm going to show you how to not get that error. So there's the project that I got from a browser link, and it opened in the new desktop app. Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited. Okay, now if I don't want to get that error, if we already have Design Space open, as you can see, it does have the little dot down there now. Let's just go to new so we don't get confused. So we have this open. We're just going to move it back over here. We're going to open this again, and you'll notice we do not get the same error because it's already been opened. So we want to open that project that I just shared, and we're going to click Open Cricut Design Space. And now it opens another form of the app. It opens another window of the app. And there's the project. Notice there were no errors that second time. So I just wanted to share this with you. Now you can save it to your projects. You will have the option to save as. So you can click Save As. I'm not going to save it again because I already have it. This is a Cricut Design Space project in Access. It's in the Cricut projects in Design Space. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.